Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, it seems like we've encountered a problem related to unused imports in our Angular application since upgrading to the latest version. The warning message, imports array contains unused imports, 998113, is popping up in many of our components, causing a bit of a headache. While it's great to have this visibility, it can be a bit annoying to deal with, especially when we don't want to manually remove all the unused imports. Now, let's delve into the solution for our problem. The warning we're seeing is actually a new feature introduced in Angular 19, specifically related to standalone components. It looks like we might have updated the Angular language service plugin in VS Code to version 19 without upgrading Angular itself in our package.json. This mismatch is causing the warning to appear in VS Code, and potentially leading to errors like TS994005. Angular compiler option, extended diagnostics, .checks has an unknown check, and use standalone imports. Solution. To resolve this, we need to update our Angular version to v19 in the package.json file. By aligning the Angular version with the plugin, the compiler will recognize the extended diagnostics check for unused standalone imports. Once we make this update, the TS994005 error should disappear, and we'll be able to suppress the check in our Angular compiler options if needed. In summary, we unveiled the source of the warning message about unused imports in our Angular app and discovered that it stemmed from a mismatch between the Angular version and the Angular language service plugin in VS Code. By updating our Angular version to v19 in the package.json file, we can resolve this issue and continue coding smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a coder's humor is just a bit wise.